Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert text inside a picture in Microsoft Word. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to insert text inside a picture in Microsoft Word. First, just open your Word document. After that, go to Insert. And then Pictures, this device. I have the picture in desktop. Okay, this one, double click. After that, double click the image to enter the picture format. Okay, here is the picture format. And then go to wrap text. And then behind text. After that, double click in the image again. And now you can type. Okay, for example, design pro guide. And here now you can just increase the font size, change the text color, and change the font. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert text inside a picture in Microsoft Word. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.